Hello, Sweet Fingers lovers. Congratulations to us and congratulations to my Sweet Fingers lovers. We turned a year on YouTube. The Chef BOSE brand turned a year, and I just wanted to say thank you so much to all my Sweet Fingers lovers. Thank you so much for everybody that has watched my videos, that has subscribed to my videos. Like, I'm super duper grateful for this opportunity and just everything just everything. Like, I could not believe we turned a year, like on the 1st of March. That was when we turned a year. So I was just looking at everything like all together, and I was just like, like so fast, like so good. We turned a year. So I just wanted to say thank you so much. I'm super grateful to my 593 subscribers currently making this video. I have 593 subscribers. I've gotten to 65,000 views, and I've uploaded over 125 videos. Like, I've never been consistency more on any other social media platform except YouTube. Like, YouTube, I've been uploading back to back on YouTube, and it has not been easy for me as a caterer, as a chef, as a content creator, like doing all these things and being a wife and a mother. Wow, like it has really been a lot. So I'm grateful. I'm grateful. And my watch of hour currently is, I think, 1,400 watch hour. While editing this video, I'm going to upload it here. My 1,000, my watch hour, my subscribers, and currently my views. So I just want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes. And this year we'll be doing a lot. Like, this year we will be doing a lot. So I really can't wait to share with you what we have in stock, what I have in stock, and what I have to show and offer. So thank you so much, my Sweet Fingers lovers, and congratulations and happy anniversary once again. Bye.